Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to set up and make a custom welcome message on a Discord server on a PC or laptop. If you find this video helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more how-tos, step-by-step tutorials and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So to do this, what we need to do is actually add a Discord bot, and what we're going to do this is open up a new internet browser, and we want to come across to mee6.xyz. So once you come across to this Discord bot, what you need to do is just scroll down the page slightly, and then just go ahead and click the blue Add to Discord button. And what it's going to do is ask you for the server that you want to add it to. So in this example, I'll be adding it to my Digital Tutor server. And we're just going to click the Setup MEE6 button. And then from here, we just need to click the blue Continue button on the pop-up. And then we're just going to scroll down and click the Authorize button at the bottom. Once this is done, we're just going to do a quick human verification. And that's now set up ready to go. So what's going to happen now is you'll be taken to the dashboard for the Discord bot. And the first thing you need to do on the left hand side is click on this welcome button down here. And what we need to do is just toggle this first option at the top on, which is send a message when a user joins the server. And then we're just going to choose the channel in the server, so just a general text channel. And what you can do is just enter the message down here. So if you actually leave the user in brackets as it is like this, and the welcome server, what's going to happen is going to automatically put the username of the person that joins and the name of the server here. And then we can just type a short message afterwards, whatever you want to type. So I hope you enjoy your time here, like so. And what's going to happen when you make any changes, you're going to get a box come up at the bottom. So make sure you click the blue save button to save any changes. What we can also do is, if we scroll down, there's another option to send a private message to new users. So if I actually turn this on, and what you can do is use this to send, for example, a personal message to any person that joins your channel, or you can send them like the rules of the server. So I could put something like, please make sure you follow the below rules. 1, blah, 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 etc., etc. And again, we're just going to click the blue save button that pops up. So that's all set up ready. So I'm just going to show you how that works. That should be set up ready. So if I actually go to my Discord server, I'm just going to go ahead and log in. And then what I'm going to do is, so I'm in my Digital Tutor server at the moment. And you can see the Me6 bot that's been added, that's up here. And what I'm going to do is just add someone to the server. So I'm going to use this person as an example. So if I come back and click invite people, and then I'm going to click to invite this person, which is my other Discord account, my main one. And you'll see what's going to happen now is if I log out from this account, and I'm just going to log into my main Discord that I've just invited to. Okay, and you'll see what's going to happen is I've got the invite there, so I'm just going to click the join button. And and I've been added to the server, and you can see the Me6 bot has sent a message in the server saying, hey, welcome to Digital Tutor YT server, I hope you enjoy your time here. And you can see that the private messaging feature has also been active that I set up, and it sent me a DM at the end of the left. If I click that, and you'll see that it sent a message that we set up for the DM. So I hope you found that helpful, and if that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.